Honorable Committee of the International Conference of Islamic Civilization ICIC 2025, distinguished guests, fellow presenters, and respect audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude for the opportunity to speak at this international forum. My name is Ajeng Safa Azara Setiawan, and today I'm honored to present our research entitled The Influencer of Attitude Towards Islamic Entrepreneurship on Halalpreneurship Intention, moderated by Family Support. Let's begin with the background of this study. 1. The rapid growth of the Islamic economy and halal industry globally has opened many opportunities. 2. However, Indonesia still has relatively low entrepreneurial rate despite its large Muslim population. 3. This poses a challenge in developing the potential of halalpreneurs. 4. A key factor influencing this is the attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship. 5. In addition, family support is often a determining factor in whether someone pursues a business idea. 6. Despite several existing studies, there is still a gap in exploring how attitude and family support interact in the halalpreneurship context. 7. This study adopts the theory of planned behavior or TPB as its theoretical foundation. 8. The novelty lies in testing the moderating role of family support in the relationship between attitude and intention in a halal business context. This study used a quantitative approach with a survey method. Data were collected using a structured questionnaire and analyzed using partially square structural equation modeling or PLSAM. Our sample consists of 164 undergraduate students from the Accounting and Islamic Economics and Finance programs at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The instrument includes 5 items on attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship or ATIE, 6 items on halalpreneurship intention or HI, and 15 items on family support or FS. All items were measured on a 7-point Likert scale. Results on demographic data of the respondents. We have all indicator loadings 0.70 convergent validity. AVE values 0.50 in good validity, and composite reliability and converge alpha 0.90 strong consistency. In the structural model, based on this table, all indicator display loading values above 0.70, indicating that indicator pass good convergent validity. Based on this table, all variable in AVE or average variance X stress test, all variable has an AVE value above 0.50, namely 0.764 for attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship, 0.6 0.646 for family support and 0.716 for halal partnership intention. That values indicating that each construct is able to explain more than half of the variance of its respective indicator. This result demonstrates a strong level of convergent validity. Composite reliability test or CR, based on this table, all variable has unconverged alpha. Values for each variable exceeds the threshold of 0.70. This indicating adequate reliability. The high CR scores confirm that the items within each construct demonstrate strong internal consistency. In discriminant validity tests, based on the table, the HTMT values for each pair of variables are below the threshold of 0.85. This indicates that each construct is discriminant from one another and does not exhibit excessive overlap. In the words, AT or attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship, FS or family support, and HI, halal partnership intention, and the interaction term FX multiply AT measure distinctly different concepts. Therefore, the model's discriminant validity is considered to be well established. X-square test based on the table, it can be seen that the X-square value for the HI variable is 0.931, meaning that the variation in HI can be explained by the variables in the model, namely AT and VS. This value indicates that 63.1% of the variance in the HI variable can be explained by the independent variables in the model. This suggests that the model has a very strong explanatory power regarding the HI variable. Based on the table, it can be seen the F value for AT is 0.98, indicating a small effect. This suggests that AT has a limited contribution in explaining the variation in HI, although it still has a measurable impact on the model. In the fit model, value is recorded is 0.122 for both models. This value exceeds the strict threshold of indicating that in terms of SRMR, the model may not exhibit very good fit when compared to model fit criteria in conference-based CEM. The NFI or normal fit index is also recorded at 0.609, which is below the general threshold for a good fit. Discussion. H1, attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship positively influence halal partnership intention. Based on the analysis results, attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship or AT has a positive and significant influence on halal partnership intention with a coefficient value of 0.155 at a T statistic of 3,020 to 3,210 and p-value of 0.1. Therefore, the first hypothesis is accepted. This finding supports of the theory of planned behavior or TPB, which asserts that an individual attitude towards a behavior will influence the intention to engage in that behavior in this context, the more positive an individual attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship, the greater the likelihood they will intend to become a halal-planner. H2, family support positively influence halal-plannership intention. The analysis results show that family support has a positive and significant influence on HI. Therefore, the second hypothesis is accepted. In the TPB, social factors such as subjective norms play an important role in shaping an individual intention. Family support can be a key element in a subjective norms where individuals who receive support from their family are more likely to have a strong intention to engage in halal entrepreneurship. This finding is also consistent with previous research showing that family support is one of the important factors in an individual's decisions to start a business. H3, family support moderates the relationship between AT and HI. The result of this study indicate the base of the PET coefficient analysis there is an interaction between attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship and family support, which significantly influence halal-preneurship intention. This indicates that family support strengthens the relationship between attitude toward halal-preneurship and the intention to engage in halal-preneurship and in halal entrepreneurship. Thus, the third hypothesis is accepted. From the perspective of the theory of planned behavior or TPB, this findings suggest that although a positive attitude toward entrepreneurship is sufficient to form an entrepreneurial intention, the presence of family support further strengthens this relationship. This is supported by previous studies that assess social support, especially from family, can enhance an individual's confidence in pursuing their entrepreneurial goals. However, some other studies indicate that family support moderation may not always have a significant impact if an individual already has a strong intention from the outset. Therefore, for individuals with a positive attitude toward entrepreneurship, the presence of family support can further increase their motivation to actively engage in halal business ventures. Conclusion, this study found that attitude toward Islamic entrepreneurship and family support positively influence student intention to engage in halal business, especially in accounting and IEKE programs. Family support also strengthens this relationship. Particularly educational institutions and policymakers should integrate Islamic entrepreneurship into curriculum and offer training that involves families. Further research should examine external factors and use a longitudinal approach to understand how this intention develop over time. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gimana ya?